I've never looked at GALA price chart before. You're going to see me walk through this. If you're a fan of GALA, just staring at it for 2 seconds, I'm not going to give you good news. I'm not here to tell you what you want to hear, even though the YouTube algorithm wants me to. And when I knew shit was going to be bearish, my channel got hurt bad because I stopped being bullish and doing that stuff, and people didn't like it. And the YouTube algorithm punished me pretty badly until most people realized it was a bear market and understood cross bad worked, right? So just realize if you're a fan of this and you want it to go up, I'm going to tell you what you need to hear, not what you want to hear, okay? Because it doesn't look, it looks like it's going to have price discovery down. This is going to be an easy one to analyze. So I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart. Can I fit all of price on? Yeah. Okay. 4-hour chart's where it's at on this, because it fits all of price history in one. All right. Hey, Ivan, I guess I will, Ivan, I will skip to your question here in just a second. Thank you. Let me do GALA first. Okay. You see this juke play back here? I'm going to zoom in on this. It looks insignificant, right? But I'm telling you, it is not. It's the only thing holding up price. Then you are free falling. Like, turn on the Tom Petty because you're free falling after this. And I think this is what's holding up price. Yeah, you're going to have a stutter step here, but this ain't going to hold anything. This is not going to hold jack shit. It could bounce and make a higher low, but it's going to keep going, right? But this little juke area is, just look, this is all that's holding up price. It's a little juke. That is the only thing. So think of it this way. If price is going to hold there, the people who are defending that, the bulls, right? Just think of their buying decisions and throwing money at it. When you hit buy, hopefully you have a reason for doing it, a reason for defending a level or for buying at a level. Hopefully it's just not a bunch of clueless people doing this. I don't think it is. But that is not a good reason to keep doing it. It's already been bouncing on this a lot. And if Bitcoin takes one more leg down, this ain't going to be defended with Bitcoin going down to $14,800. It's going to have price discovery down, and it could get really aggressive. So let's try to guess what that's going to look like. So we're going to form a channel with this. I'll spend about 2 more minutes on this, then I'll move to Ivan's question. All right, so, I mean, this is a cliff. I mean, you could draw a horizontal there, but it's going to be broken. And it's going to be broken probably by next week. All right? Like with an extremely high certainty, or probability, not certainty. I don't want to say certainty, because crypto can do some crazy shit. And really, so can the stock market. Okay, so let's go like this. Yeah, the 4-hour chart is where it's at for this coin to see all of price history. And if you want to watch how I'm doing this, it might be a good idea. Because this is how you do. I think those were bull traps that would have gone over the channel, both of those. Usually I align this with the exact top, but I think Bitcoin did bull traps on both of these where it went over. And so I'm going to make the line just under it. So this was a bull trap over it to coincide with Bitcoin. But it would work pretty well with it. That would mean it's down here, actually. Boom. Right. It means it hit these tops here. Yeah, I think these tops were the true top of the channel. Right here, the actual top, and this here. I think that's a bull trap, and that's a bull trap, okay? So technically, it's outside of the channel right now, which is not bad. But it's getting ready to go below this horizontal. I'm going to zoom in a second, don't worry, and it's going to fall back in general terms. Now, I'm going to go, boom. I'm going to draw over this, make it exactly on there. Hold control, drag down. And again, I'm teaching you how to use TradingView for people who don't know how to do this. And I did the rectangle first, the rotated rectangle first. So now I can just go like this. This is what one of my team leaders taught me. He said, no, do the rotated rectangle like this. So you have it exactly in the middle, and you can better identify the point of control. All right, so now we have a range, point of control. Yeah, at this point, it's probably close to half the shit I know is from my community telling me stuff. All right. Okay, so that's what's happening on GALA. Visually, you have a massive horizontal, and when this, so let me put a price in it, a price tag in it. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. All right. Once this is broken, two things can happen. So let's now zoom in. That price is right at 44 cents. Two things can happen. You can get stuck in a triangle for a bit and get rejected. You can use the top of this channel as support a little longer and get rejected. Maybe get rejected up here, something like that, before fully entering this channel. Okay, so that's one option. And again, this is a descending line, so I can't just give you a horizontal, right? Because crypto, I mean, yeah, horizontals are respected, but long term, it moves in diagonals more than horizontals. I'm telling you, that's why my origin lines work better than like what anybody else is using, right? That's very accurate because it moves in diagonals. I'm telling you, that's how the algos are doing it, and that's how just mass market psychology is too. So it could get trapped, stuck in here for a while and play around for like most of October, or it could just do a quick juke fake and then jump down, get rejected by the top of the channel, and come here. There are a lot of options on how this can play, and I'm not going to make those guesses. But if Bitcoin does go down to 14K, I bet this is coming. I bet it's coming straight to the top of the point of control. That would be my guess. Yes, that's a 50% drop, but that's where I bet it would go. And my second most likely guess, late September, if Bitcoin's at 14.8 or whatever, I would say 3.2 cents. Yeah, that makes more sense. Actually, you know what? I think 3.2 cents makes more sense on a percentage basis. I didn't measure the percentage before. Visually, this looks better, but to try to get confluence with percentages, yeah, the 30% drop's pretty big. So 3.1 cents, but then again, the top of the point of control, which it's probably going to hit after it falls in, that's 2.5 cents. That's a big ass drop. That's like 50% down, and that is GALA for you.